Dear students, welcome to Geography Unit number 11, India Natural Disasters. In this video, let us discuss about the answers for the questions which are given in India Natural Disaster. After watching this video, click below. You will get the links of previous chapters. Let's begin. First main, fill in the blanks with suitable answers. First one, the most destructive atmospheric disaster is dash. Answer is cyclones. Second one, in India, the eastern coast is more prone to dash. Answer is coastal erosion. Third one, in peninsular India, dash occur occasionally. The correct answer is floods. Fourth one, in India, dash occur very often in hilly states. Answer is landslides. Fifth one, coastal erosion is mostly caused by dash action. Answer is wave. Let's move to second main. Discuss in groups and answer the following. First question, what are natural disasters? Give example. The natural hazards which create widespread destruction are known as natural disasters. Examples: cyclones, floods, landslides, coastal erosion, earthquakes, etc. Second question, what are floods? Mention the natural causes of floods. Flood refers to the inundation of land by river water. The natural causes of floods are heavy rainfall, melting of snow, tropical cyclones, cloud burst, blockage of the free flow of river water. Silting river beds. Third question, what is a cyclone? Mention their major effects. The wind blows spirally inwards towards the center of low pressure is known as cyclones. The major effects of cyclone are loss of life and property, damage to buildings, transports and communication system, disrupt power supply, destroy crops, vegetation, animals, etc. Question number 4. Explain the causes and effects of landslides. The natural causes for landslides are undercutting of the slope, as in sea wave, erosion of sea cliff, earthquakes, and heavy rainfall. These are all natural forces. Human forces: deforestation, construction of roads, railway lines, dams and reservoirs, hydel power projects, mining, quarrying, etc. These are all the causes for landslides. Now, the effects of landslides are blocking of roads, railway lines, burying of human settlements and vegetation, loss of life and property. Question number 5. Write about causes and distribution of coastal erosion in India. The southwest monsoon winds. It causes intensive coastal erosion along the west coast of India: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Second one, tropical cyclone. They are destructive and mostly occur during the northeast monsoon season over the Bay of Bengal, the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Third reason, tsunamis. They are large waves generated by earthquakes. Andaman Nicobar Islands and east coast of India have been affected by tsunamis. These are all the three major causes of coastal erosion in India and their distribution. Sixth question. Mention the precautionary measures to be taken to reduce the effects of earthquakes. Avoid the human settlements in the earthquake-prone zones. Follow earthquake-resistant designs for the construction of buildings. Use building materials of high quality and avoid high-rise buildings. Restrict diggings of deep wells for groundwater. Restrict urban growth in the hilly areas with high seismic vulnerability. Avoid the construction of large dams and reservoirs. Last one, stop deforestation and heavy quarrying activities. These are the precautionary measures to be taken to reduce the effects of earthquakes.